Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our today's topic is regarding TQM. So we are going to study first T stands for over here total. Now what is the meaning of total in a simple way? It is made up of the whole or complete. Means that is the total. If we are saying about the quality, I have told you many times that whenever the word quality comes, it means simple. That is the degree of excellence that every company wants to achieve and wants to provide via by their product or services to their customers. Means over here, for each and every company, whether that is standardized industry or customized industry, to them, their customers are the most important part. So that's why they will always give their excellence products or excellent services to their customers. So that is the quality, degree of excellence. Now the next term is about the management. Now management सबको पता है कि management क्या होगा? That is an act of planning, organizing, directing, controlling, handling, leading, etc. That is in the simple way of management. अभी हमें पता चल गया कि what do you mean by T stands for total, Q stands for degree of excellence, and M stands for management. Now what is exactly the meaning of TQM over here? Now by combining the TQM, now it is the art of managing the whole to achieve the excellence. In short, TQM means continuous improvement in the product or services that each and every organization employs try to give to their customer. That is in the best way. So this was all about TQM.